Vision, a vibrant and nurturing polytechnic service college for transforming lives and communities. Mission, to improve the lives of people and communities through quality instruction, innovations, productivity, initiatives, environment and industry feasible technologies, resource mobilization, and transformational outreach program and services. BSIT Goal. The program prepares students to be IT professionals who are well versed in application, installation, maintenance, and operation, development, and administration. It also engages them in long life learning endeavors contributing to rich extension and resource generation in the field in information technology. BSIT Objectives: to practice in advanced human resource in the field of information technology, especially in the development, installation, maintenance, operation, and management of information technology. To develop students with critical thinking through research and extension activities. To strengthen value which are desirable in the information technologies profession and the common good. Dreams and visions within the minds the novel, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honor, molded pride of society. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Once realized, be close to every heart, with warm motherly embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armor, guiding star for searching soul. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Your Christ provide us with enlightened minds to prime us completely in our endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards great high. We go forward and serve even fellow men. Far reaching, we will shine. Singing victorious praises. Ilocos Polytechnic State College, a place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC.